Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by switching views so you can see the print lines, open Page Layout or Page Break Preview now. Once done, you can identify which lines are page breaks versus grid lines, and that matters because they respond to different controls. Make sure to save a quick backup, because adjusting margins or removing breaks can shift content across pages. Then, show rulers if you want a measure. This helps you decide whether to move content or change scale. It prevents guesswork and extra edits. Next, focus on manual page breaks. Select the row or column adjacent to the blue dashed line. Then go to Page Layout, choose Breaks, and pick Remove Page Break. That removes the manual divider only, so your layout stays intact. If many breaks exist, use Reset All Page Breaks to return to automatic pagination. After that, check Scale to Fit and Margins. Sometimes a large margin or 100% scale creates new breaks, so reduce scale or margins to consolidate pages. Finally, to hide the visual print lines you saw, switch back to normal view. This removes the blue page break indicators from your screen. If you also want to hide the faint grid lines that can look like print lines, uncheck Grid Lines under View. Make sure there is no print area set, because that can force page indicators. Clear it under Page Layout if needed. If strange lines persist when printing, check the printer driver or page setup. Sometimes printer settings add marks that Excel itself does not.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.